Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to set the iPhone camera aspect ratio to 16:9 as default. So first what you want to do is open up your settings, then go to camera, just by going to the list of apps right here, find the camera app, go to preserve settings, and make sure that created controls is turned off. Once that's done, just open up your camera app. Once you're here, just swipe from the bottom to top, so swipe from down to the top so that you will reveal the settings right here. And here on the numbered icon, which is right now 16:9, so let's set it to 4:3. And if you wanted to change it to 16:9, just tap on the icon, and 16:9 will be at the right side right here. So simply tap on that. As you can see, it is automatically set to 16:9. And if I go back here on my camera app, it will be set to default. As you can see, it did not change. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.